Today, I decided to teach you how to create viral videos using only CapCut and neural networks. You can upload them to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Especially in TikTok, you will be able to earn such amounts of money because monetization has recently appeared there. I will explain to you step by step how to create these videos, starting with creating a script, video processing, free voice acting, and creating beautiful captions. Let's take a look at what kind of content we're going to do. In the video, you can see stories from Reddit. And in the background, there are various games such as Subway Surfers, GTA 5, Minecraft, and other entertaining games. But most often you will see Minecraft. I also studied which stories people visit more and found out that the stories of the creepypasta collect the most views. And so we decided that the videos consist of 6 parts. This is a frame with a question, a story from Reddit, footage from the game, voiceover, captions, and dynamic music. I have good news for you. I have created my own personal frame for the question and I will share it with you in the description in this video, so look there and download and you can go back to the video and see what to do with it. Now we need to find the story, but where to get them? You might think that all the stories come from Reddit, but after analyzing the niche more carefully, I realized that many of the stories were taken from the creepypasta site. I go to the creepypasta website, I start studying various stories that I might like. Their advantage is that they are long and you can divide them into several parts and fill in your profile with them, keeping the viewer. I choose a story about the road, copy it, and then, for greater uniqueness, I go to Google Bard and ask him to rewrite this story, but so that it would be in the first person. He easily copes with this request. The next step is to find some kind of gameplay that is not copyrighted, so go to YouTube and write Minecraft gameplay royalty-free. Download any one you like and proceed to further editing. For high-quality voice acting of my video, I go to the ElevenLabs website. Here I can choose different voices, and for a subscription of $1, I can allow you to copy your voice or use professional voices of announcers. I go to Google Bard and copy the story that we took from the site. I insert it into the text field in ElevenLabs and click on generation. I just have to wait for generation. The text came out large, 1,800 characters long, and therefore it will not fit into 1 minute of video. But for example, this is normal. Therefore, when you make a video, you will have to divide it into several parts. When my text is voiced, I save it to my PC. We have almost finished creating the video. We went into the trap and started a new project. We imported all the prepared files. I also announced the name of the story on the Cryptid site. Now, I'm adding Minecraft gameplay to the timeline and changing the screen ratio from 9 to 16. After that, I will increase the gameplay video. The next step is to add a pre-made plaque, which can be downloaded again from the link in the description. I added a sign and then added text to a new layer. I put the name of the game and started to change the style. I changed the size, color, and installed it on the side of my plaque. When I've finished, I'll add the voiced story and music to the background. You can find it online. After that, I'll cut off an extra bit of voice acting and music, and I started to adjust the volume. When everything is done, I move on to creating subtitles. To do this, I go to the Text tab and select Automatic Subtitles. I have to wait a bit, and when the speech is recognized, I can edit the text. I start to style it by changing the font, increasing the size, and making all the letters bigger. After that, I add a spring animation which allows you make the video more dynamic and put the text in the center. After that, export the video and that's it.
Driver beware. 5 of the most haunted roads in the US. The asphalt stretched out before me, a ribbon of darkness winding through the heart of West Milford. This wasn't your typical country road. This was Clinton Road, a place etched in local legend as a haven for the paranormal. Decades of whispers had...
Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and like it. See you soon.